Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing class 12th related chapter 6 application of derivatives NCERT exercise 6.1 up to question number 3rd we have done. It is question 4th. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. मतलब 1 सेकेंड में उसकी एज जो है, एज मतलब साइड, किसी क्यूब की साइड जो है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर बढ़ती है 1 सेकेंड के अंदर. एंड देन हाउ फास्ट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन एज इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो जब उसकी एज जो है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर होगी उस टाइम पर उस क्यूब का वॉल्यूम किस रेट से बढ़ेगा, मतलब 1 सेकेंड में उसका वॉल्यूम कितना बढ़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट we have to mention first of all in solution that what it is given there. First of all let us consider the side of a cube. Let the side of cube is A and volume of cube is V. This is volume because volume is asked and side variable cube, edge of a variable cube having side this, we have considered side this, means A we have considered. So that's why what is given in our question, dA by dt is given, means change of edge with respect to time. टाइम के साथ में उसकी एज की लेंथ में कितना चेंज हो रहा है वो अपने को दिया है 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. मतलब 1 सेकेंड में उसकी एज जो है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर बढ़ती है, इंक्रीज होती है. सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let us consider the volume. You know, it is, we have considered it V. Volume of cube is A cube. It is the formula for volume of cube. You know it very well, volume of cube. Now dV by dA, because on differentiating with respect to A also you can write on differentiating with respect to A. If we differentiate it with respect to A, then it will be dV by dA is equal to 3A square. Now what is needed? dV by dt is needed because increase of volume of cube when edge is 10 centimeter is asked. So dV by dt is what? Change in volume or increase in volume, we can say change in volume with respect to time is equal to dV by dt. Means rate means what? It is with respect to time here, because with respect to time only the edge is given. So dV by dt is equal to dV by dA into dA by dt. dA by dt already mentioned, it is given there. So now dV by dt is equal to what? dV by dt is equal to 3A square dV by dA, which is 3A square, into dA by dt means into 3. So it will be dV by dt is equal to 9A square. Given A is equal to 10 centimeter. So if A is equal to 10 centimeter, then dV by dt is equal to what? dV by dt is equal to 9 into square of 10, that is equal to 9 into 100. So it will be equal to 900 centimeter cube, because volume is in centimeter cube per second. So here we have to mention centimeter cube per second. This is only the increase of volume with respect to time, or rate of increase of volume also we can say. Rate of increase of volume is 900 centimeter cube per second. This is only the required answer for the question. Now see question 5th. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves moves in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी आप किसी तालाब में पत्थर फेंकते हैं तो उसमें जो वेव बनती है वो सर्कुलर होती है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि यहाँ पर हमको ये दे रखा है कि जो वेव है वो 5 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से बढ़ रही है. सो फॉर दैट इन सॉल्यूशन वी हैव टू मेंशन लेट रेडियस ऑफ सर्कुलर वेव is small r and area of circular wave is capital A. These things we have to consider. So what is given in it? dr by dt is given 5 centimeter per second. So given dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second. This is given. Now what we have to find? We have to find change in area, means how fast the area is increasing. So area of circle is pi r square, that you know. It is area of circle. Area of circle. That you know very well. That it is area of circle. Now it is function of r. So you can differentiate it with respect to r. On differentiating with respect to r, this will become dA by dr is equal to pi d by dr of r square. So it will be 2r. So 2r into pi is 2 pi r. So dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find dA by dt, because what is asked there in our question? How fast is the enclosed area increasing? Increasing of area with respect to time is equal to dA by dt. This is considered as dA by dt. Means what we have to find is dA by dt. So dA by dt is equal to dA by dt is equal to dA by dr into dr by dt. You may write here by chain rule. It is chain rule over. So by chain rule we can do this. So according to this chain rule, dA by dt is equal to what? dA by dt is equal to dA by dr value is 2 pi r and dr by dt value is 5. It is given. So it will be dA by dt is equal to 10 pi r. 5 to the 10. So it will be 10 pi r, where r is equal to given. R is equal to what it is? Radius of the circular wave is when 8 centimeter. At that time the rate of change of area is asked. So radius is 8 centimeter. So where r is equal to 8 centimeter given, it is given. So we may find now dA by dt, that is equal to 10 pi into 8, that is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. Means area is in centimeter square and time is in second. So 80 pi centimeter per second, centimeter square per second will its area increasing. So this is only the rate of change of area, or we can say change in area with respect to time of that circular wave. मतलब वो सर्कुलर वेव जो है जो उस लेक में फॉर्म हुई थी उसका एरिया टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में 80 पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड की रेट से चेंज हो रहा है, या एक सेकेंड के अंदर वो 80 पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर चेंज हो रहा है उसके अंदर. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? यहाँ पर हमको उसके circumference का रेट पूछा है कि वो किस रेट से इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So for this in solution, first of all we have to mention that let the radius of circle is equal to small r and the circumference of circle is equal to capital C, because the first letter of this circumference is capital C, that's why we have denoted it in form of C only. So given, what is given in our question? dr by dt is given. dr by dt, that is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. It is given in our question. Now circumference of circle is 2 pi r, that you know very well. Circumference of any circle is 2 pi r. So you may mention circumference of circle. Now we may differentiate it with respect to r. So on differentiating with respect to r, this will become dc by dr. dc by dr means 2 pi d by dr of r, that will be equal to 1 only, because differentiation with respect to r of r, that is 1. So dc by dr is equal to 2 pi. This is the change in circumference with respect to radius. Now what is required? Change in circumference with respect to time is needed, because rate of increase of its circumference is asked. So let rate of circumference rate of change of circumference or increase, let rate of increase of circumference or change, you can write increase of circumference of circle is equal to dc by dt. So dc by dt, by chain rule what we can write? dc by dt is equal to dc by dr into dr by dt by chain rule. So what it will become? dc by dr, we know very well, it is 2 pi, and dr by dt it is 0.7 centimeter per second. So dc by dt is equal to 2 pi into dr by dt is 0.7. So it will be 2 7s are 14, so 1.4 pi centimeter per second, because unit of circumference is centimeter only, centimeter per second. 1.4 pi centimeter per second is only our required answer. So this is over. Now see question 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Here it is per minute, that you have to remind, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rates of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. आपको इसमें क्या दे रखा है, यहाँ डिक्रीजिंग दे रखा है, तो डिक्रीजिंग के लिए आपको माइनस लगाना पड़ेगा. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. सो इन सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let perimeter of rectangle is equal to P and area of rectangle is equal to A. This we considered. Given, what is given in our question? It is given dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute and dy by dt that is equal to 4 centimeter per minute, because it is increasing. This one is increasing. Here it is increasing, that's why it is positive, and here it is decreasing, that's why it is negative. Decrement is shown by negative sign here. Now what we have to find? First of all, see perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into x plus y. It is first part of our question. You may mention perimeter. And on differentiating with respect to t, on differentiating with respect to t, what it will become? dp by dt is equal to 2 in bracket dx by dt plus dy by dt. So dp by dt is what? Rate of change of perimeter. So dp by dt is equal to 2 and in bracket dx by dt value is minus 5 and then dy by dt value is plus 4. So minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So dp by dt, what it will become? dp by dt is equal to 2 into minus 1, means dp by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Means what? Here one conclusion is there. What that conclusion is? That is asked rate of change of perimeter, means rate of change of perimeter is equal to rate of change of perimeter is equal to 2 centimeter per minute, we can say. Or this minus sign, what it mention? That this change is decreasing. We may write rate of decreasing of perimeter is 2 centimeter per second. If change is there, then there is no need to sign the to mention the minus sign there. That change may be negative, that may be positive. This change denotes that it is decreasing. That's why it is minus. Now rate of change of area. So what is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is x into y, that is length into width. It is well clear that area of rectangle is length into width. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into x plus y. There area is also asked, so it is our second part of the question. So here second question starts. On differentiating with respect to t, what will be applicable here? 2 two functions are there in product. So first function and second function, product will be applicable. So dA by dt is equal to what? First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. Now dx by dt, dy by dt value we know, and we have to mention here, given x is equal to what? X is equal to, given there, 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. And y is equal to 6 centimeter. Both values we know, and value of dy by dt and dx by dt already we have mentioned. So now dA by dt is equal to 8 into dy by dt. dy by dt value is 4. So 8 into 4 plus value of y is what it is? Value of y is 6 and value of dx by dt is minus 5. It is minus 5. So here we have to mention minus 5. So what it denotes? That dA by dt is equal to 32 minus 30. That is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. But here it is increasing. Rate of change of area. Rate of change of area is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. One more thing, it is decreasing, that's why it is minus sign is there, and here it is increasing. मीन्स एरिया इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय 2 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट, मतलब 1 मिनट में उसका एरिया 2 सेंटीमीटर बढ़ता है, और पेरीमीटर इज डिक्रीजिंग बाय 2 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट, क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस साइन था, तो इसका पेरीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट से डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज नाउ ओवर. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग अवर चैनल सांदीपनि हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल राजोदा. लाइक इट, सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल.